steam bursts from under the hood, the sharp smell of burning coolant fills the air. Your temperature gauge is deep in the red, and every passing second is killing your engine. Overheating isn't just an inconvenience, it's a race against time. Before metal warps, gaskets blow, and repair bills climb into the thousands. But here's the good news. Most causes of overheating are simple to spot, cheap to fix, and completely preventable. In this video, we'll break down 10 common reasons car engines overheat. From the easiest fixes you can do today to the hidden, deadly failures that can destroy your engine in minutes. Watch until the end so you know exactly how to stop overheating before it stops you for good. Number 1. Low coolant level. Coolant is a special fluid designed to absorb heat from the engine and release it through the radiator. If the level is too low, due to leaks, evaporation, or neglect, heat will quickly build up inside the engine. Without enough cooling, the temperature can spike within minutes, especially when driving in hot weather or stuck in traffic. Low coolant is the most common and most preventable cause of overheating. A simple habit of checking coolant levels regularly can save you from serious repairs. Number 2. Faulty or stuck thermostat. The thermostat controls when coolant flows from the engine to the radiator. If it gets stuck in the closed position, coolant will be trapped inside the engine and unable to circulate to the radiator to release heat. This can cause the engine temperature to rise rapidly, even before you've driven very far. A faulty thermostat often goes unnoticed because its symptoms mimic other problems. But regular inspection can prevent overheating from this cause. Number 3. Clogged or dirty radiator. The radiator works by dissipating heat through its metal fins as coolant flows through it. If the inside is clogged with rust or scale, coolant flow will be restricted. On the outside, if the fins are blocked by dirt, bugs, or mud, airflow is reduced. As a result, heat that should be released stays trapped in the system. Flushing the radiator and cleaning its surface regularly is essential for maintaining cooling efficiency. Number 4. Radiator fan not working. The radiator fan helps pull air through the fins, especially when the car is stationary or moving slowly. If the fan fails, runs weakly, or the triggering sensor is faulty, cooling efficiency will drop sharply in heavy traffic. Overheating is especially common in these situations because the system relies only on airflow from vehicle movement. Checking the fan motor, relay, and temperature sensor can prevent this issue from escalating. Number 5. Faulty water pump. The water pump circulates coolant from the engine to the radiator and back again. If the pump is weak, damaged, or its impeller is worn out, coolant circulation will be disrupted, allowing heat to build up in the engine. Early signs include whining noises, coolant leaks near the pump, or temperature spikes at higher RPMs. Ignoring these can lead to severe engine damage. Number 6. Damaged radiator cap. Though small, the radiator cap plays a vital role in maintaining pressure in the cooling system. If the pressure rating is off or the seal is worn, coolant can boil at a lower temperature and escape as vapor. This reduces coolant volume and leads to overheating. Replacing a faulty radiator cap is an inexpensive fix that can prevent major problems. Number 7. Leaking or burst radiator hose. Radiator hoses carry coolant between the engine and the radiator. If they crack, leak, or burst due to age and wear, the cooling system will lose pressure and coolant will leak out. A sudden coolant loss can cause engine temperature to spike within minutes. Regular visual inspections can catch small cracks before the hose fails completely. Number 8. Blown head gasket or cylinder head leak. This is one of the most serious and expensive causes of overheating. When the head gasket fails, combustion pressure can enter the cooling system, or coolant can mix with engine oil. This results in excessive heat, loss of coolant pressure, and further engine damage. Symptoms include white smoke from the exhaust, unexplained coolant loss, and oil that looks milky. If this happens, stop driving immediately to prevent total engine failure. Number 9. Low engine oil. Many people think oil is only for lubrication, but it also helps absorb and transfer heat from inside the engine. If oil levels are too low, friction between moving parts increases, generating more heat. The cooling system then has to work harder, and if it can't keep up, the engine overheats. Check your oil dipstick regularly, especially before long trips. Number 10. Vacuum leak or faulty sensor. A leaking vacuum hose or a faulty temperature sensor can cause the ECU, engine control unit, to mismanage fuel mixture and ignition timing. If the fuel mixture is too lean or timing is off, combustion temperatures can rise beyond normal levels. While this problem may develop slowly, it can still trigger overheating if ignored. Overheating is one of the fastest ways to destroy your engine, and many of these causes are completely preventable with simple maintenance. Check your coolant, oil, and hoses regularly, and don't ignore warning signs like rising temperature gauges or steam under the hood. A few minutes of inspection can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay proactive, keep your cooling system healthy, and your engine will thank you with years of reliable performance.